Okay, got the other ammunition right here. The old 50 cal box. Joe Bob Outfitters, name Joe Bob Outfitters. And this is the ammunition we got here today. Okay, got the IMI Systems M193 55 grain American Eagle 62 grain stuff. IMI M855 green tip 62 grain. PMC X-Tac 62 grain. Got a bunch of that stuff down here. Also got some PPU white box. And we got some PPU match 75 grain. And we got a bunch of our stuff down inside here as well too. Good old AK. Yeah, I got some Wolf 124 grain stuff, but I don't need that. And I got some other good Sig Sauer stuff right here. This is the good shit. Sig Sauer 77 grain OTM match. You also have IMI 77 grain OTM match. And they got some PPU 69 grain stuff. There we go. Good stuff, good stuff. And we got some more PPU down here. 62 grain stuff here today. And last but not least, get this stuff out of here. Just get it out down the box down here. Fochetti ammunition, rifle match ammunition, 77 grain Sierra tip, hollow point boat tail. And last but not least, the good old Lapula. Oop, that out of there. I got another one here anyway, so it don't matter. There we go, Lapula. 55 grain. Good old Lapula stuff right here. Great stuff, great stuff. And that's basically what we have for today for that. And we also have some other stuff over here. So let me go ahead and put this stuff away first. Okay, got some other stuff over here in my other box. Got my box all decked out on here for that. Rifle Dynamics, K&S Precision, BCM on here, and Kalashnikov USA. And we got some ammunition here for that. American Eagle 223, 55 grain. Got a bunch of that stuff right here. Yeah, I got some Wolf 223 grain, 55 stuff, 55 grain. And we also have some good old Remington UMC. This is the 55 grain stuff. Remington 55 grain full metal jacket. So, good ammunition for everything up here today. Go ahead and put that back in the box. Go ahead and put that back down there. Let's get this stuff out of the way here. Okay, and we got the good old spam can box here today for this. This got a lot of goodies inside it. This is the Russian spam can container. And we got a hell of a lot of good stuff in here, so we'll be taking this stuff up to camp. Check this stuff out up there. I got a lot of this good shit up here, so we'll be having a great time up camp here shortly. So we got a lot of stuff here. This is the good stuff. All armor piercing, light body armor piercing ammunition. PMC M855. This stuff is basically identical to each other. So this stuff is the same stuff as this. Also got some Russian ammunition here as well too. Good stuff right there. 15 cartridges. And we got some good stuff right here as well too. That's good stuff right there. Good stuff, good stuff. And we got the other type right there as well too. So good stuff, guys. That's everything we'll be taking up to the cabin here shortly. So hopefully we'll have some time to do a thorough test of the new AR-15 upper.